I used to think I knew exactly what I wanted. To be a makeup artist. That was my plan A, but I didn't know life had a better plan for me. I just followed my heart, even it meant stepping into the unknown. And sometimes, what's unknown today might be the best thing that ever happens to us. What's your relationship with the unknown? What do you need to step into it? Today, through my music, I'd like to offer you a special experience. Years ago, it touched my heart deeply and led me on a journey I could never have imagined. It all started many years ago in Budapest. I was walking home after a long shift when suddenly I heard the most mesmerizing sound. It wasn't on my way, but something about it pulled me in. So I followed the sound. I went down into the underground passage where I saw a musician playing an unusual UFO-like instrument. And in that moment, something inside me shifted. Everything around me disappeared. The noise of the city, the people passing by, it all faded away. His music transported me into a completely different dimension, somewhere far beyond that place, deep into myself. And then, something incredible happened. I felt an explosion in my heart, like something had been waiting to wake up. I knew instantly, this instrument is meant for me. A few months later, at a festival, I had my first chance to try one, and it was magical. Something clicked straight away, and even my friend told me to get one. I knew I would. I moved to the UK, I bought my first handpan. I practiced every single day, and eventually I went out to perform on the streets. I was terrified, but I did it. And then something beautiful happened. People stopped, listened, smiled, and I realized my music has the power to touch souls. That one moment, that one choice back in Budapest, to follow that inner calling, opened doors I never imagined. And since then, I've been living the most beautiful and adventurous life. And here's what I learned. When we listen to what truly calls us, we step into who we are meant to be. And when we do that, we don't just change our own lives, we create ripples of change around us. Now, let me play for you. And if you feel like it, just close your eyes and follow the music. Now, take a deep breath and gently return to this moment. How do you feel? Which sensations did you notice in your body? Which thoughts or feelings surfaced? Take a moment and feel your answers. The same way I followed my calling, we all have something inside of us waiting to be heard. A voice, a feeling, an idea. If we listen to it, it can transform our lives. And when we transform ourselves, we naturally start making better choices. Not just for ourselves, but for each other and for our planet. And here's my invitation to you. From now on, every time when you hear music, whether it's in the car, on the streets, or just playing in the background, take it as a reminder, as a signal to pause and turn inward and listen. Not just to the music, but to yourself. Because change starts within, and from there, it flows outward. And maybe, for you too, Plan A may turn into a marvelous Plan B. Thank you.